Are you ready to get rid of your Snapchat story? In this video, I'll show you how to delete it quickly and easily. Whether you want to start fresh or just clean up your profile, I'll walk you through the process step by step. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to delete your Snapchat story. First of all, let's open up the Snapchat application, and then, for the purpose of this video, let's post a quick little story. I'm just going to select a random image from the camera roll. Let's tap on the story. So now you can see that my Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen has been changed to a little preview of my story. Simply tap on it. As you can see, the story has been posted to the Snapchat account. For some reason, if you want to delete your Snapchat story, there are two ways to do that. The first method is to simply tap on the story that you want to delete, and then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen, which will give you three different options. Go ahead and tap on delete, and then tap delete one more time, and that will delete your story. If you don't want to open up your story, you can tap and hold it, just like this, and then simply tap delete snap. Tap delete. And that will delete your Snapchat story. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.